Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on automatically update maps on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on automatically update maps on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings icon. In Settings, click on Apps. In left pane, you will find an option Offline Maps. Click on Offline Maps. Now scroll down, and here you will find Map Updates and automatically update maps. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now automatically update maps is turned on my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.